episode of FML Quarantine Edition, and while on quarantine I decided I'm going to clean this car up a little bit and get a bunch of this tree sap off. So let's polish her up. There you have it. Wax the hood. That's all I'm gonna do. I really don't like this wax that I got, so if anybody's got any recommendations on it, I know I did it in direct sunlight and all that other jazz, but it was just a quick job to do on the hood to see how it would turn out, and actually didn't turn out too bad. Alright, here's the hood. One thing I noticed while I was polishing it up was that I can actually see where we rubbed this polish remover. That's what it is, polish remover. So this could probably use a good
Hi.
a really good detailing. Maybe we'll send it out and have somebody who knows what they're doing do it, but car didn't turn out too bad. Cleaned up pretty good. We still got more stuff going on the side. Looks like maybe bicycle dings from like a bicycle handlebars. I am really good with the words right now, guys. There you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tweet, all that other stuff, blah blah. Appreciate your time, guys. Enjoy your mini vacations.